Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and are watching a 2-star property.
In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it.
To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.1. Check-in time in this property is 3 p.m. and checkout time of this property is 1 p.m. If you have checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box.
For booking or get more details about this property, please check description.
If you have any problem booking or booking this property, then you can talk about it and we will help you. If you are new to the channel and not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming properties. Thank you for watching the entire video. We are set to meet again in a new video with a new property.